inverter or the charge controller when the batteries are charging or discharging. So we are going to check their individual voltage again. This is 11.7. This is 12.3. Now they have been connected in series. So let's check their voltage. You can see that 24.1. So this is the voltage of this battery bank. It is 24.1 volts. It means you can only connect a 24-volt inverter to this battery bank. After connecting them in series, you cannot connect a 12-volt inverter here, because if you connect the 12-volt inverter here, the input voltage of from this battery that you'll be sending to the inverter will be higher than what the 12-volt inverter needs, so it can burn the inverter. So this battery bank is only for a 24-volt inverter. Now, if you have DC loads, you can also connect your DC loads that are rated 24 volts to this battery bank, because we have DC freezers, DC air conditioners, DC water pumps. So if those loads are 24-volt loads, you can connect them to this 24-volt battery bank, because the voltage of that load must match with the voltage of the battery bank. So this is how to connect batteries in series. In series, you connect positive of battery A to the negative of battery B, and when that happens, the voltage of that battery of the two batteries will double. For example, we're having 12. For example, if we have, let's assume these are 6-volt batteries. After connecting them in series, what we'll have is 12 volts, because the voltage will double. So this is how to do a series connection. For series connection, if you have only 2 batteries, you need only 1 cable to connect them in series, just to cross positive to negative. So this is the only cable we used. So I'm going to show you how to connect in parallel. Yes, thanks those of you who are watching. Remember to be careful that this head should not touch this other head. It will be disastrous. All right. So we are going to connect in parallel. Now for parallel connection, you connect, this is battery A and B. For parallel connection, you connect positive to positive, negative to negative, positive to positive, negative to negative. That will be parallel connection. Once you do that, you have connected those batteries in parallel. So for parallel connection, if you have 2 batteries like this, you will need 2 cables, positive and negative. You can see the cables here. These are the 2 cables you will use, because one will go for positive to positive and the other one will be used for negative to negative. So let's connect them and see. All right. I'm going to connect the positive terminal, the negative terminal first. Remember, be careful so that the terminals, you not breach the terminals of the batteries. All right. If you have any question, please, you are free to ask. Feel free to ask your question. All right. Negative to negative, we are done. So we are going to the next one, positive to positive.